Thinking about meal planning but don't know where to start? I love planning ahead for a busy week. Not only does it save time, money, energy, and reduce food waste, but it's also a great way to boost your veggie intake. There's nothing wrong with having meals on repeat each week. Who doesn't love spag bowl or tacos? But did you know that even introducing 1 or 2 new recipes may help increase the variety of veggies you eat? At Healthy Life, we've developed a simple tool to make meal planning even easier for you. Use our planner to jot down your meals for the week ahead and keep track of your veggie intake to make sure you hit your goal of 5 a day. When planning my meals, I'm thinking about incorporating a variety of proteins: fish, chicken, red meat, tofu, and legumes, and aiming for at least 2 plant-based protein days. Using red kidney beans in veggie burgers not only counts as protein, but also gives you an extra serve of veggies. How good is that? I also rotate meals that use common ingredients. Tin tomatoes are the base of chili con carne, bolognese, and veggie lasagna. Onion, carrots, celery, and capsicum kickstart many soups and stews. Broccoli, zucchini, corn, and green beans are staples to serve steamed alongside pretty much anything. And don't forget, canned and frozen ingredients count towards your veggie intake. Getting ahead with prep also helps save time. If you're slicing zucchini, mushrooms, or capsicum at dinner time, why not make extra for a healthy breakfast scramble the following day? The possibilities are endless. If you're looking for more inspiration, flick through Woolworth's Fresh Ideas magazine or check out their online recipes. One last hint for prepping healthy snacks. Once I've unpacked my groceries, I chop up carrots, celery, radishes, and other crunchy veg so they're ready to go. Store them in an airtight container in the fridge to keep them fresh.